Ever wondered why some guys can run 500,000 miles on a Silverado while others barely make it to 150K? The answer isn't luck. It's in the secrets that GM mechanics keep under lock and key. And today, my friend, you're about to discover exactly what they don't want you to know. Look, I've spent the last 15 years digging into Silverados, talking to retired GM mechanics, and what I found will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about these trucks. These are details that can mean the difference between spending $5,000 or $15,000 in repairs over the next few years. And before we dive into these secrets, if you're someone who loves their Silverado or is thinking about buying one, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. Because what I'm about to reveal here could literally save your wallet. Secret number 1. The hidden oil code that can double your engine life. This first secret cost me a friendship with a GM supervisor, but it's worth sharing. Did you know there's a specific code in your owner's manual that 90% of owners ignore? It's the Dexo's 1 Gen 2 code. Sounds like nonsense, right? But here's the kicker. GM developed a specific oil formula that isn't just compatible with Vortec and Ecotec 3 engines. It was created molecule by molecule to work with the microscopic tolerances of these engines. A veteran mechanic from Detroit told me that when they use generic oil, even if it's 5W30, the piston rings start developing microabrasions after 80,000 miles. But with the original Dexo's 1 Gen 2, he's seen engines with 400,000 miles with factory compression. And the craziest part? The price difference is only $12 per oil change. $12 that could mean another 200,000 miles on your engine. But quick lube shops won't tell you this because they make more margin on generic oil. Secret number 2, the secret transmission programming GM hides. Now, this one's heavy. Ever noticed how some Silverados seem to have smoother transmissions than others, even from the same year? It's not a coincidence. There's an adaptive learning mode in the 8L90 and 10L90 transmissions that GM doesn't mention anywhere. In the first 500 miles, the transmission is literally learning your driving style. And here's the secret. If you drive like grandpa during this period, the transmission will be lazy forever. Assembly line mechanics know this. That's why when they test new trucks, they purposely accelerate hard at specific intervals. It's not abuse, it's calibration. If you bought a new Silverado and already passed the initial 500 miles driving slow, you can still fix it. There's a reset procedure that any GM scanner can do, but 99% of dealerships will say it doesn't exist. Why? Because they'd rather have you think you need a new transmission in 100,000 miles. The procedure costs $150 if you know how to ask for it by the right name. Transmission Adaptive Learning Reset. Write that down. Secret number 3. The $8,000 design flaw with a $200 solution. This secret saved my wallet 2 years ago. All 2014 to 2018 Silverados with V8 engines have a water pump with a design flaw. GM knows it, mechanics know it, but nobody says anything. What happens is the pump impeller is made of plastic and sits in direct contact with the metal shaft. Over time, friction creates play. The pump starts leaking, and if you don't catch it in time, the engine overheats, and then my friend, that's $8,000 in warped heads. But here's the secret a 30-year GM mechanic told me. There's an aftermarket water pump from Gates, model 43328, that costs $200 and has a metal impeller. It's literally the same pump that should have come from the factory. Preventive replacement at 60,000 miles costs $400 with labor. Wait for it to fail? Prepare $8,000. And the most infuriating part? GM created an improved version of the pump in 2019, silently admitting the mistake, but never did a recall. Secret number 4, the module trick that saves $3,000 in fuel per year. Now I'm going to tell you something GM engineers programmed, but the marketing department told them to hide. The fuel management system in V8 Silverados has 3 operating modes that don't show up on the dash. Mode 1 is standard, what everyone uses. Mode 2 is the real economy mode, which can give you 4 more miles per gallon on the highway. Mode 3 is performance, which releases 15 extra horses. How to access it? When you start the engine, press the brake and accelerator at the same time for 6 seconds. The dash will flash 3 times. Use cruise control to switch between modes. Pull up for mode 2, push down for mode 3. A trucker from Texas who discovered this told me he saved $3,200 in diesel last year just using mode 2 on the highway. GM doesn't advertise this because they don't want you choosing between economy and performance. They want you to buy 2 different trucks. Secret number 5, the 100,000-mile conspiracy. This last secret is the most controversial, and I'll probably get hate mail from GM for revealing it. But screw it, you deserve to know. There's a set of parts in Silverados that are engineered to fail between 95 and 105,000 miles. It's not coincidence, it's reverse engineering. Mechanics call this Centurion failure, the 100K failure. It's always the same parts: belt tensioner, power steering pump, ignition module, and differential seals. Curiously, these are parts that cost between $300 and $600 each. Too expensive for you to change yourself, too cheap to warrant a lawsuit. But here's the secret. If you replace these 4 parts preventively at 90,000 miles using OEM Actelco parts, not generic, they last until 250,000 miles. It's an $1,800 investment that prevents $4,000 in repairs and downtime. A retired mechanic from Flint showed me the internal data. In durability tests, these parts lasted 300,000 miles. But someone up top decided to use materials 20% cheaper. Coincidence? You draw your own conclusions. Look, I know some of this information is hard to swallow. After all, we pay $50, $60, even $80,000 for these machines. We deserve transparency. But the reality is the auto industry is a business, and businesses exist to make profit. The difference is now you know how to play their game. You have the information that separates those who run 500,000 miles from those stuck on the roadside at 150K. If this video opened your eyes, if it's going to save you thousands of dollars, then do this. Drop that like and tell me in the comments which of these secrets surprised you the most. And if you have a Silverado, share what year and how many miles. Let's create a real durability database without the marketing lies. And remember, knowledge is power, but only when you use it. So don't keep this information to yourself. Share it with that friend who has a Silverado, with the WhatsApp group, with whoever you know needs to hear this. Next video, I'm going to reveal the 5 Silverado years you should avoid like the plague, and believe me, some will shock you. Until then, take care of your machine, and remember, they may build the trucks, but we're the ones who make them last.